what will be happen? Filler collecting system does not work properly. If the filler collecting system does not work properly, sometimes that exhaust fan power is not enough. That can broken down. So many problem can dust back, can leak like that. Uh, these three problem mainly can happen. First one is cannot control filler content in the mix. This is the main problem. It will affect to the quality of the mixture as well concrete. Second one is aggregate will be coated with filler. Aggregate can normally fine material with coated with aggregate. If that filler control system not work properly, aggregate will coated with the filler material. Dust can emission to the environment because large part material can emit to the chimney and can go to the environment. These three things happen. This is the grading of the asphalt design asphalt aggregate. You can see that there is a proportion less than 0.075 millimeter. That means filler. This is the content about 4.4. If that filler come another route, we can control this amount, this figure. They are, that means we can't get required mix in the asphalt concrete. Then mean that the properties of the asphalt will differ differ from the standard. Then some failures can happen. If the material coat with the pillar, this will happen. You can see that in the red color in the aggregate, in the one coated pillar layer is the outside, then uh, again as bitumen layer, then aggregate and bitumen not aggregate not coated with bitumen properly. That will case to the segregation of material. Then material can segregate, and then raveling can happen, hot roll can happen. As a consequences, we have to face payment failures, very poor riding quality. This can happen. Finally, bitumen heating system also there in the asphalt part, third part, because we need to heat the asphalt bitumen before we introduce the mixture. This is the flow chart of bitumen heating system. There is a burner for heating the thermal oil boiler, and then it go to the bitumen storage tank. There's a pipeline inside the old bitumen storage tanks, and go that is directed to the hot bitumen waiting system also, and it comes to the thermal oil boiler again. This will rotate. The thermal oil rotate this path, and hot bitumen direct to the mixture after heating. This is the simple diagram you can see. This is the burner and thermal bath, and go to the this line, heating line, goes to the bitumen tank. These are all our bitumen tanks. These all are bitumen tanks, and goes to the bitumen tank. Heated oil goes to the bitumen tank and return to the oil bath, and again heated, and goes to the bitumen tank again and heated up to the required level. In the that pipes, there are the two cores. For one is the bitumen transportation, other for thermal transportation, because that pipe, inside pipe also bitumen there. That also in solid condition in the room temperature. When we start asphalt plant, we have to melt up this bitumen. For that, this pipe also designed for accommodate one layer for the thermal oil. Outside oil is thermal oil. This is a photo chart of the asphalt plant. You can see in the yellow color, this is the production system. In the green color, you can see pillar controlling system. In the other side, in the blue color, you can see the Bitumen heating system. It's a complete flowchart of Asphalt Plant. You can study this using this video. This is a complete flowchart as I explained in the previous slides. This is the computer system. Normally, that automated system used in the asphalt plant. This is the how controlled in the using control panel in the asphalt plant. This is the some diagram of asphalt plant. And then other type is we discuss about batch type asphalt plant. Now we go to the drum mix asphalt plant. In the drum mix asphalt plant, this is a flow chart. Aggregate coal bins, then feeding bales, main conveyor. That main conveyor act as belt scale also, and it goes to the dryer. Dryer and mixture also in the one compartment, and go to the asphalt storage silo. Normally, it's continuous production, and go to the asphalt storage silo and storage the asphalt. And discharge, we can discharge to the truck from asphalt storage silo. Bitumen also introduce to the dryer and mixture in the one compartment. You can see in this picture coal bin feed to the dryer, and it's go to the dryer mixture and go to the filler silo. Sorry, asphalt silo. In the dust bag system is also there in this type of plant also. It's another picture of drum mix asphalt plant. There's a two type of, as I explained earlier, parallel flow drum mix asphalt plant, and this is parallel flow mean that aggregate and flame come from same direction. We call parallel flow drum mix asphalt plant. In the other type, counter flow, that means flame come one direction and aggregate come in the other direction. And this is a counter flow drum mix asphalt plant. Those type used in the industry, but these two types, that drum mix asphalt plant less accurate when we compare to the drum mix asphalt plant. This is end of the this session. Thank you for hearing for the video, and we will meet next time with different topic. Okay, thank you.